right near the city of Russell as it traveled its way east along Interstate 70 as well. All right, 7:15 Friday evening. Our school weather coverage being brought to you by Stopple Supply, your bumper-to-bumper parts store in Russell, and also United National Bank of Minnesota and Russell. With more tornado safety tips as we want to keep you up to date. We want to keep you safe as we continue to keep you up to date on the very latest tornado that is working its way through Russell County. Tornado. Cannot say that enough. It's a possible tornado here at the moment, but the storm has had a history of producing tornadoes as well as it has moved its way right down Interstate 70. They were saying the storm was keeping northeast, but as the storm strengthened it, east, and that's a sign of a pretty strong supercell thunderstorm. That's always a pretty signature sign that we see with these thunderstorms as well. But at the moment, as we look at the radar screen, the best chance for a tornadic portion of the cell right around the city of Russell, or maybe points just a little bit east of the city of Russell as well here at the moment. Well, tonight it is. Severe weather continues to roll through much of our listening area at the moment. It's 7:19 Friday evening. We want to keep you up to date on the very latest with this particular tornado warning. Tornado warning is up for central and northern Russell County until 7:30 here this evening. It is a light show here at the radio station at the moment. Our radio tower is getting struck left and right with lightning bolts here at the moment. Looking at, went outside just a couple of moments ago, did not see any tornado on the ground, at least from our vantage point here at the radio station. But it still looks like we still continue to see a bit of a wall cloud near the city of Russell as well. So please continue to stay in your tornado shelter here at the moment. Just can't reiterate this enough because this storm really slowed down. It was moving along Interstate 70 very quickly from Hayes to Victoria to Walker to Gorham.